Here's some Cold War propaganda trivia. Subscribe. Which country's propaganda emphasized the space race? Is it A, Germany, B, United States, C, Brazil, or D, China? The correct answer is B, United States. Who authored the Iron Curtain speech? Is it A, Franklin Roosevelt, B, Joseph Stalin, C, Winston Churchill, or D, Harry Truman? The correct answer is C, Winston Churchill. Which organization was founded to counter Soviet influence? Is it A, NATO, B, Warsaw Pact, C, G7, or D, UN? The correct answer is A, NATO. What was the theme of the Domino Theory? Is it A, economic growth, B, democracy promotion, C, nuclear arms race, or D, communism spreading? The correct answer is D, communism spreading. Who was the Soviet leader during the Cuban Missile Crisis? Is it A, Leonid Brezhnev, B, Mikhail Gorbachev, C, Joseph Stalin, or D, Nikita Khrushchev? The correct answer is D, Nikita Khrushchev. What was the purpose of the Berlin Blockade? Is it A, to expand territory, B, to promote trade, C, to establish peace, or D, to starve West Berlin? The correct answer is D, to starve West Berlin. Who led the Cuban Revolution in 1959? Is it A, Dwight D. Eisenhower, B, Che Guevara, C, Fidel Castro, or D, Hugo Chavez? The correct answer is C, Fidel Castro. What was the anti-communist campaign in the U.S. called? Is it A, Cultural Revolution, B, Red Tide, C, Great Fear, or D, Red Scare? The correct answer is D, Red Scare. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.